welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Go Get the Cocktail, and if you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. To all my regular duggies, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for inviting more people to tune in. Okay, so what's happening in today's video is that I'll be trying out a cheesecake, 3 ingredients cheesecake. And of course, it was inspired by the one and only Sonia Booth. If you're on Twitter, you will understand that Sonia Booth had a cry out. In all of what Sonia said, in all of that, I was just concerned about what Bongani Muller's husband said. Bongani Muller's husband, which is the lady that was cheating with Mickey Booth. The guy rated the cake a 9 out of 10. How do you do that? I guess the guy's not petty enough, or I am fucking petty to the kids. How do you do that when your wife is cheating with this nigga and you rate the cake a 9 out of 10? I'm petty as fuck. I would have rated that cake a fucking 1 out of 10. Although I enjoyed it, I would have said KK can't try. KK is the worst thing that I've ever had. KK belongs to the pits. Like KK is the worst thing ever in Mhlabeni, like literally. So I guess like the nigga is not that petty, and it seems like Mickey Booth wants a divorce right now. It's quite bad. But the fact that Mickey Booth baked a cake, baked a cheesecake, and then the next day he that just says, do you even know your responsibilities? Do you know who you are? Seems like a lost man to me. Like, who does that? Really? You're not even baking it for your kids. Whatever. You're baking it for another woman, a side chick that has a husband. Yeah, that's what I knew. And then I felt different. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna be doing a cheesecake today. A cheesecake, 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients which involve lemon cream biscuits. 3 ingredients just for a cheesecake. Full cream condensed milk. And a plain yogurt, 1 kilogram plain yogurt. So that's what's going to be happening in today's video. I'm going to be doing that. Yeah, stay tuned. Let's get on to the next round of it. The lemon biscuits. We're gonna crush the lemon biscuits. We have to crush the lemon biscuits. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I have to crush them. So I think I'm gonna put them inside the blender just for easy for quick results, because I want quick results. So I'm gonna put them inside the blender, all of them, and see how that goes. I'm gonna break them first inside this cup. I'm gonna break them first, put them into like smaller pieces, and after that I want them in the crumb form. I need these to be in the crumbiest form. You know what? Whether my cheesecake comes alright or not, you're gonna see this video. Whether it came alright or it didn't, y'all gonna see this video. But I try to like blend the lemon biscuits, which you don't have to do that according to the recipes that I found. You just have to beat them up like inside a plastic. But the mistake that I did was that I like blended and I added a bit of water. So that was the mistake that I made. Whether it comes good or bad, I tried. So I'm gonna like put everything into this empty thingy. It was not supposed to be like this. It was supposed to be like dry. But I know I gotta put some on. Who knows? Maybe it might come as the best thing ever. But for now, here the mandla and it's okay. She wants it. Look how messy it is. Only because I put water, I put a lot of water, and I was not supposed to like put it in a blender. I was supposed to like beat it inside a plastic. As besides the Sonia Booth issue, we are here and we are making cheesecake. 1 kilogram of plain yogurt, and mind you, this recipe doesn't need you to like have to cook. It doesn't need you just need to chill the whole thing, and that's what it is. So the whole cooking, putting it in the oven, no, you just need to chill it overnight, and that's what it's all about. So just put on 1 kilogram of plain yogurt. Now I'm gonna put in whole of a condensed milk. So apparently I'm supposed to put this for like 2 minutes in the oven. So in the microwave, I'm gonna do that just to make it crusty and all that. Guys, whatever comes out tomorrow, it's what we applied for. It's what I've applied for, and you guys are just gonna have to like bear with me. Oh, it's so watery. It's so watery. Thanks. It tastes like nkomas. Hati does the things that needs to be done. For my sake, for my reputation, I'm gonna add plain yogurt because I have more plain yogurt. Because this is so waterish. I don't think you can put cheesecake. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and after that I am gonna like lay it on top of the crumbs of the biscuits, and we'll take from there. Okay, I'm gonna chill this up. Just put on the topping, which is condensed milk and the yogurt milk mixed together, and I'm gonna see how it goes, or see if it comes out alright. I'm gonna chill it until the next morning. We'll see how it comes out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm glad that you've come this far with the video. I really appreciate it. Clearly you like my content, and thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, you're out to get the best. Hopefully Sonia Booth gets the justice she needs.
The cake was really delicious, guys. I enjoyed it. I won't lie. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. The only problem was the cutting part. So I'd advise that you don't put it in a big dish. You rather put it in small servings, because the cutting part was the only problem. But other than that, it tastes really delicious. I enjoy it. Try it out. You won't regret it.